Hello, everybody. Welcome to the fifth installment of this 1967 Mustang restoration series. We're here at Roger's shop, and I just wanted to showcase some of the projects that he's done over the year. You know, his pride and joy being a 1955 Chevy Bel Air four-door, and he's worked on everything from trucks to cars, and he's the right man for the job. For the '67 Mustang, he's been helping me out tremendously. And today, our main project was to restore some of the parts that needed restoring. Reason being is because the previous owner had left the car sitting with coolant inside the engine. And so, when that happens and it gets cold, sometimes the freeze plugs pop out or deteriorate or get rusty. And so we needed to, he did the honor of taking the engine out of the car and replacing all 10 or 12 freeze plugs. And he also did a good job in repainting the engine, which I'll show you right now. He repainted the engine Ford blue, and he painted the engine bay black, just to clean up the engine bay. So now all that's left is painting the exterior of the car. Another component that deteriorated was the gas tank. We tried using the original one, but there was so much rust inside the gas tank that the gasoline was coming out an orange brownish color. And so we had to drain all 5 gallons that was in there and, put fresh fuel in there. We also bought the floater kit, so we can measure how much gas is in there accurately, and put new fresh 5 gallons of gasoline. But yeah, here's a quick walk around of the car. Here's the back end. We're gonna install the gas tank soon and try to get this thing started with some new coolant, and hopefully get it running to see if there's any more leaks, which hopefully there isn't. And here's a quick look of all the detail work that he did on it. We also changed the thermostat, just to make sure, just to preventative measures, make sure it doesn't overheat. And I guess all that's left is just replacing the old hoses, and maybe a new air filter. But everything looks new. He did all that detail work down there in the oil pan and the new fuel pump. The chrome valve covers need a little bit of polishing, but that'll be in the next video. So all that's left now that we're going to do within the next week or so is, finish the brakes and then give it a test drive and see how it shifts through the gears and see if there's any work needing to be done. But as of right now, I think this is it, and I'll let you guys hear a quick clip of when we started it, so you guys get just as excited as I am.